Out in the vast darkness of space, a silent sentinel cruises toward Earth. Discovered on December 27, 2024 by the Atlas telescope in Chile, this celestial nomad, designated 2024 YR4, has sent shivers down the spines of scientists and civilians alike. The asteroid, aptly nicknamed the City Destroyer, is estimated to be between 40 and 100 meters wide. To put that into perspective, that's about the size of the Statue of Liberty or Big Ben. Current projections show a 2% chance that 2024 YR4 will collide with Earth. While this might seem like a small number, the potential consequences of an impact are too significant to ignore. The year is 2025, and the world is holding its breath. The impact date, if it were to occur, is projected for December 22, 2032, a date that will forever be etched into the annals of history. The energy released upon impact is estimated to be equivalent to 8 megatons of TNT. That's over 500 times the power of the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Such an impact would trigger widespread devastation, unleashing a cataclysmic chain reaction of earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires. The immediate blast radius would be vaporized, leaving behind a crater miles wide. The world watches and waits, caught in the silent grip of uncertainty. But fear not, for knowledge is power, and scientists around the globe are working tirelessly to understand and prepare for this celestial visitor. From tracking its trajectory to developing mitigation strategies, humanity is gearing up for what could be the ultimate test of our resilience. The potential impact of 2024 YR4 is not to be taken lightly. The asteroid's estimated size and speed mean it could release an amount of energy comparable to thousands of Hiroshima bombs upon impact. To truly grasp the potential devastation, we need to understand the science behind such an event. When an asteroid of this magnitude collides with Earth, the initial impact is just the beginning. The shockwaves generated would ripple through the planet's crust, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions far from the impact zone. The heat generated upon entry into the atmosphere would be intense enough to ignite massive wildfires, further adding to the devastation. If the asteroid were to land in the ocean, it would trigger tsunamis hundreds of feet high, capable of inundating coastal regions and causing widespread destruction. The potential impact zone of 2024 YR4 is a cause for significant concern. Current projections suggest a risk corridor spanning from northern South America, across the Pacific Ocean, to southern Asia, the Arabian Sea, and parts of Africa. This corridor encompasses a densely populated region of the world, putting millions of lives at risk. Countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Sudan, Nigeria, Venezuela, Colombia, and Ecuador all fall within this potential impact zone. The sheer scale of potential devastation highlights the urgent need for international cooperation and a coordinated global response. Scientists around the world are in a race against time to track the City Destroyer and refine its trajectory. Currently, 2024 YR4 is moving away from Earth, making it difficult to observe. It is expected to be too faint for observation after April 2025, only becoming visible again in June 2028. These periods of observational blackout pose a significant challenge for scientists. However, they are not without tools to continue their observations. The James Webb Space Telescope has been tasked with observing the asteroid in March 2025, hoping to gather crucial data before it fades from view. Additionally, the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope in Chile will also be trained on 2024 YR4. These telescopes, along with continuous monitoring by NASA and the European Space Agency, provide a global network of eyes on the sky, constantly tracking the asteroid's every move. This data is fed into sophisticated computer models that calculate the asteroid's trajectory and refine the probability of impact. The scientific community is not just passively observing, they are actively working on plans to mitigate the threat posed by 2024 YR4. The success of NASA's DART mission, which successfully altered the trajectory of an asteroid in 2022, has provided a beacon of hope and a potential blueprint for deflecting this celestial threat. The world watches and waits as scientists continue to track 2024 YR4 and refine its trajectory. The possibility of impact, however small, is a stark reminder of humanity's vulnerability in the face of cosmic forces. But amidst the uncertainty, there is a sense of resolve. The international community has sprung into action, recognizing the need for a coordinated global response to this shared threat. The United Nations has activated its emergency protocol, and discussions are underway on potential mitigation strategies. One such strategy involves kinetic impactors, similar to the technology used in the DART mission. By crashing a spacecraft into the asteroid, scientists hope to alter its trajectory enough to avoid a collision with Earth. Other options, like nuclear deflection, are also being investigated, though they come with their own set of challenges and risks. Of course, evacuation plans for the potential impact zone are also being developed as a last resort. This global effort underscores a fundamental truth: in the face of existential threats, humanity is capable of great unity and cooperation. The challenge before us is immense, but so too is our capacity for innovation and resilience. While we cannot predict the future, we can prepare for it. And as we continue to learn more about Asteroid 2024 YR4, one thing is certain: the world is watching, waiting, and working together to ensure our collective safety. Thanks for watching. Please join Sky Blue Channel Corp.